Hello everyone, and today I will show you how to make object hunting your player object, basically following you in Unity. But first, I would like to ask you to subscribe and like this video because, well, I kinda need your support. Let's begin. Okay, first things we will make is basically some kind of map on which we're gonna create our game and object for player and object for actually AI enemy, the one that will follow us and hunt us down. But to do so, first we need a bit of map done. I will use basic cube and just reshape it and extend it a little bit so we have some ground. Nothing special, just a little bit. Okay, when we have a bit of map, now we can create player object and enemy object. I'm gonna use basic 3D capsule game object from Unity and just give them a little bit of color so we can see which one is which one. And after that we can actually start making a game mechanics. Okay, when we have our objects, map, ground, player object and enemy AI object, now we need to select map and add component that's called NavMesh, which basically tells AI what is ground and where AI player can walk around. There is a button on that component that says bake, so whenever you change a map settings, like you add new objects or remove them, you can click on that and it will calculate changes you made into the map itself. So for this one to work, actually ground, walkable ground, needs to be just one part, or you will have to include multiple parts and that's gonna be a lot of help to do. But for learning purposes, I'm gonna use this cubic piece of map and just add it on it. And now we will attach NavMesh agent component to our AI enemy object, and we will attach a script that's gonna utilize that NavMesh agent and walkable ground in order to trace us down and follow us around the map. Script for this is pretty much very easy. We just need to create public transfer player so we can attach player object to the script, and one NavMesh agent object that we can attach to the script as well. And basically following around is done in just 2 lines of the code. Unity does everything for you, so it's pretty much easy. I'm not gonna make in this video how to move around with your object, that's gonna be in next video. So basically I will write a couple of comments that are not that much necessary in this specific code. You just need to rewrite everything to your script and it should work just good. Okay, and now we need to test our little script and our following player object setup. I haven't created player movement scripts, So I'm gonna manually move my player object around just to test how the AI will trace us down and how good it actually follows us. And on you can see on blue parts of the map is actually walkable AI part of the map. There are two circles in plain area there where the player object and AI object are located. So when I clicked on bake, it saw them as regular obstacles. So we have two blank spots where our agent cannot walk, but it actually, even with that, it works pretty much well. I'm pretty much satisfied how it works, and it was actually pretty much simple. So basically that would be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in next one. Bye bye.